Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today in EVS, we are going to learn the last part of this chapter. That is chapter number 11, Air Around Us. Okay, kids? We have already completed with page number 9, 10, 11. Okay? Today we are going to start with page number 12, which is the last page of this lesson. So come on, without wasting more time, let us begin. Here, this is your page number 11. On your page number 11, you can see here kids playing in a pool, swimming pool, using swimming tubes for safety purpose. Okay, so now how swimming tubes are safe, let us see. Okay, now kids, I'm here. Air is lighter than water. What they are saying is air is lighter than water. So the things filled with air floats on water, right? So that is why kids use swimming tubes while swimming for safety purpose, as it keep them floating up. That is why swimming tubes helps us to float on water. Okay, kids? Now next. Now can you see this picture? Yes, there is a fire in a jungle. What all you can see here? Small particles floating upward, going up, right? Now let us see what they are saying about this picture. Okay, kids? Come on. So now I'm reading this part. When the air becomes warm, there is fire, right? So fire makes the air warm. So they are saying when the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight. Okay, wherever there is fire, the nearby area air will become lighter in weight. Okay, so it moves upward. So it moves in upward direction. Correct? So if we burn some dry leaves, we can see small things get blown up in the air. Right? You know, trees shed leaves. Yes, when the leaves become dry, trees shed them. And these dry leaves, if we take and burn, what will happen? Yes, due to fire, the air will become warm in that place and start moving upward. And because of this, it will carry the small particles of the burnt leaves up. So only you can see here small particles of burnt leaves going upward, right? Sorry, you see that? You see? Okay. So with the help of this picture, what we have understood, that when the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight. Correct? Okay, now let us see what else is given. Now they have given us one activity. In that activity, they have used two pens, correct? A bottle, two bottles, and two balloons. Now let us see how we have to perform this activity. Okay, but while performing this activity, you need to take help of your teacher or your parents. Okay, any elderly person should be there with you to perform this activity. Correct, kids? This activity I'm talking about. Okay, so let us now start. Let us see what they are saying. See, now I am here. Can see this? This part. Warm air moves faster than cold air. Okay, in this activity we'll learn that warm air moves faster than cold air. Now for this we should take the help of your teacher or parents to do this activity, as I have already told you. For this activity what we need to do is put a balloon on the neck of a bottle, keep the bottle in a pen of boiling water. Okay, so here they have done that. Okay, took a pen, took a bottle, on the neck of the bottle what they have done, placed a balloon. Okay, and that bottle they have kept in a boiling water. Now what difference you can see in both the pictures? This picture A and picture B. Let us talk like that. So in picture B, where there is hot water, the balloon increases in size. What happens in picture B? Picture B has got hot water, so the balloon increases in size. It means that warm air moved faster into the balloon and it has blown. Correct? Now let us see what happens when we keep the same bottle in the cold water. Okay, put a balloon. What will happen if I'm here? What will happen if we keep the bottle in a pen of a cold water? What you can see, what change is there? Is there any change in the shape of or size of the balloon? In A, no. There is no change in the size of the balloon. Can you see? See here. The balloon has not changed its size. Okay, so with the help of this experiment what we have learnt is warm air takes more space than cold air. Okay kids, okay, here we have finished with lesson number 11. Okay, last time I have promised you that I will be showing you one video based on this chapter for your better understanding, right? So let us see the video. Correct kids?
All living things need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. We cannot see air. We can feel it when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Take some small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air. Air occupies space. Take a balloon. Blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows that air occupies space. We can fill air in a swimming tube, football, bicycle tube, etc. Air has weight. Take 2 empty balloons. Fill air into one of the balloons. Now weigh both the balloons. You will find that the balloon which is filled with air is heavier than the empty balloon. So we can say that air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Take 2 candles. Fix them on a table. Ask an elder to light both the candles. Now cover one of the candles with a glass tumbler. What happens? After some time, you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why? The candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. A thing can keep burning only when it gets air. Uses of air. Air has many uses. Air helps in flying kites. It makes waves in the river or sea. It helps in sailing of a boat. It moves the fans of a windmill. Air helps clothes to dry. It helps helicopters and aeroplanes to fly in the sky. Unclean air. When harmful substances mix with the air, they unclean the air. This is called air pollution. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. Breathing unclean air can make us ill. Harmful effects of unclean air. It can cause breathing problems like asthma. It can cause headaches and dizziness. Pollution also harms plants and animals. Steps taken to keep air clean. We should not cut down trees because trees give us clean and fresh air and oxygen. We should plant more trees. We should not burn garbage. We must throw the decomposable garbage in a compost pit.
Okay, kids. Have you liked the video? Yes, I know you might have liked it. I hope you have understood the lesson. Okay. In the next class, we will start with the new lesson. Till then, bye.